What is up, Cosmic Contender here.
Here for another video. Today we're going to be talking about grid maps and mesh libraries. I found these were kind of tricky for me, so I wanted to be able to get people up and running as fast as possible. So I'm going to be using the KKit Medieval Pack Builder. So you can download this from itch.io. I'll put a link in the description below. And then you will export it to your project. It'll say something about FBX. We don't really care about FBX. We only care about the GLTF. This is the recommended model format for Godot. And we actually don't even care about the models, but we just want the tiles. And we want the square tiles and the GLTFs. And let's create, so I have currently a world node. We're going to create a new scene, a 3D node. We don't even need to save this. So one thing I'm going to show you real quick that I'm not going to do, but if you want to be able to add collision shapes to these meshes, you need to go into each one of these scenes and click on the 3D mesh node. And then if you want to add, you want to hit physics, then you're going to have static. And then you can go in and pick from which mesh you want. So since this is very basic, I would just pick on box. But let's say if we go to this road detail scene and you wanted to have every nook and cranny, you want to go in here and hit physics, and it'll go and click. If you want the more detailed, you want to hit the try mesh, and that will match with every nook and cranny. Okay, so I'm not going to do that to all of these. If you do, pause the video and do it to every single one. But in order to create our mesh library, we want to select all of these meshes. So I'm just going to click on the top one, hit shift, click on the bottom one, and then drag them into our node, into our scene. And then we can then go to our scene and export as mesh library. And I'm going to call it tiles. I already have it populated here. So you can save it as tiles. And you'll be able to look down. It's saved into our root folder. And then we can go back to our world scene, add in a, oh, not new scene, apologize. Let's go hit the plus, and we can go add the grid map. If it's not there, you can go and search it. We can go and drag our tiles on top of our grid map, and it's going to take a little moment. You can click off of it, click it back on, and there we see it. So if we zoom in, we can see. If you go and you can change the cell position, 2 by 2 is what it is. You could probably change this by the Y to be 1, and then if we click and we go up one more floor, they're right on top of each other. Previously, if we change it to 2, they're going to be like that. So just some things that you can know as you're working on it. So this one isn't very detailed, this little grass thing. We can go back down to floor 0, get rid of that. But let's say we're trying to make a road and we want to use this tile again. But as you see, that doesn't complete the road. So this is one thing I was struggling with. And you just hit S to rotate it to be able to add those nodes. So this corner node, I can rotate, 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 rotate to make a box using S. So that's one thing that I found out. And one last thing that I found out is if you hit shift and drag, you can select an area. You can select each grid. And then if you hit Control C, you can copy what you've copied and put it there. So let's say you want multiple instances of something you've designed, like a pattern or something. You can go and add it to your game. So those are some things that I found as I was working with the grid map. But as always, Godot has great documentation, and I didn't realize this. I did know that it has great documentation, but I was searching and searching and searching, and what do you know? Everything I just told you is here on Godot's map with getting started with the grid map. It says using grid maps. So I'll add this also to the description. You can look into it. There's even a way to tilt the axis when you're playing in with the grid map. But if you enjoyed the video or you have more nodes that you want to learn about, please leave a comment. If you enjoyed the video also, please like and subscribe. Thank you so much. Cosmic Contender out.